Try this easy and delicious recipe. Let's get started on the marinade. Grate a teaspoon of lemon zest, juice a lemon, add a finely chopped clove of garlic, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of Mill Bay extra virgin olive oil. Stir. Cut scores into 2 organic chicken breasts and pour the marinade over the top. Cover with plastic wrap and place into the refrigerator for at least an hour. While we're waiting for that, let's make the saffron rice. Add a generous pinch of saffron to a cup of boiling water. Stir and let stand for 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of Mill Bay to a preheated pan. Add a cup and a half of basmati rice. The rice must be dry, so don't rinse it. On a medium heat, keep the rice moving. Once it starts to get slightly brown, add salt, the saffron water, and 1½ cups of chicken stock. Stir. Place the lid on the pan and don't stir again. Cook for 20 minutes, then switch off the heat and leave to steam. Let's cook the chicken. Place the chicken and marinade into a preheated frying pan. Cook on a medium heat and turn every 2 minutes until cooked through. Place the chicken breasts on a bed of saffron rice. A squeeze of lemon juice, a drizzle of Mill Bay, enjoy.